Yush, wagwan, massive and crow. Yeah, man. You know, the Andrew Wellness a real sample. That brother, they are a real sample. Listen, Andrew Wellness does have a way of acting as though the public has a short-term memory when it comes to his policies. It's almost like he does things that directly affect people's lives and then without skipping a beat acts as if those very actions never happen. It can come across as quite narcissistic, especially when he seems to downplay or even ignore the consequences of past decisions, only to later present solutions for issues he contributed to. Now, the general election is due this year in September, and politicians are busy trying to impress voters. Andrew Holness is no different. He believes people have short-term memories, and just because he have a lot of gullible supporters as well. I don't know where I try, but Andrew Holness, people out here remember what you do or what you did back in 2016. So nobody can come play era, yes. You understand? Yeah, man, nobody can play era, yes. Andrew Holness to reduce the GCT rate on electricity to 7% and eliminate the 150 kilowatt threshold for postpaid residential customers. And this will implement by JPS starting on May 1st, 2025. Yeah, man. And for postpaid residential customers who consume 250 kilowatt or less, they will see a rebate of 7% and a 3% subsidy for a total of 10%. Bravo, bravo. We're happy for Andrew on this right now, not true. Pity you no. Wanna sit down, let me tell you what happened. Because some no remember things. So after many years of burdening down people with high electricity taxes, the JLP is now trying to present themselves as the heroes by lowering it. But let's not forget that they were the ones who placed the tax on electricity in the first place. A whole heap of people don't remember that. Back in 2016, Andrew Holness and the JLP introduced the 1.5 million tax threshold plan, which promised that anyone earning 1.5 million or less per year would pay no income tax. It sounds good on the surface. But here's what actually happened. The tax break only helped those formally employed and earning over 600,000 per year. Remember, we are talking about 2016. Yeah. Minimum wage workers and those earning below that amount got no income tax break because they weren't paying income tax in the first place. They introduced new taxes. That's the JLP introduced new taxes, including the 15% GCT on electricity above 150 kilowatt. So JLP party, Andrew Holness led party, were the ones who implemented the 15% GCT on electricity back in 2016. And now them act like say them a hero because them are reducing. So now in 2025, they are finally reducing the GCT to 7% and removing the 150 kilowatt threshold. But here's the thing. It isn't some grand favor. It's them undoing a policy they put in place years ago that made life harder for ordinary Jamaicans. The rebate and subsidy for lower consumption customers sound nice, but why did they wait until now to offer this relief? If reducing electricity costs was truly truly and truly for Jamaicans. Why did they introduce the tax in the first place? This is a classic political move. You understand? And later, now in 2025, they might present themselves as the solution. Like somebody else it put the tax money. And then now them come as Lord and Savior Jesus Christ and remove the tax. But then them put it on in the first place. Just because they get tax break. To some people. And them have to offset it by them have to offset it somewhere else. So them introduce the tax to electricity. Classic and journalness. What good?